Are you ready to buy or list your house but not sure what the real estate market is safe? Let's discover what happened in 2020 and what to expect in 2021. My name is Gary Grewal with Cornerstone Home Lending. Let's discover what in the world happened to real estate market in 2020. Whoa, it was quite a year. This is the craziest real estate market we have seen in a while. Some people think we are in the middle of housing crisis. Some people think the market is still thriving, and some don't have any idea at all. Let's clean it up and talk what happened this year. It's a seller's paradise. Because of the pandemic, a lot of sellers avoided listing their houses and wanted to wait it out. There were not that many houses in the market, which means the buyers were left competing for the few houses that were listed. This meant that the sellers that chose to list their houses got multiple offers, some over asking price, often only lasted a few days in the market. Mortgage rate continued to lower. Despite the uncertain year we had, the rates continued to be lower. Buyers were able to secure record low rates, and that meant they saved big. Is it risky? Will there be another housing crisis? This is the biggest question of the year. When will the housing market crash? While everybody was holding on to their breath, the market actually got stronger. Despite literally the most unpredicted year we had, the market was steady. The rates continued to be lowered. Sellers reaped the benefits of the seller's market. The buyers were still getting approved for home loans. As of right now, experts are not predicting another housing crisis in 2021. If your goal is to buy in 2021, let's chat. I can help you discover where are you financially, what can you do to help yourself get approved, and more. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you like, share, and tag a friend who is thinking about buying in 2021.